Okay, we're gonna make some rust proofing. Great for any metal. If it has rust on it already, even wood can go on the wood, penetrates a wood, great sealer. And what we're using today is automatic transmission fluid, a little bit of lacquer thinner, some Dawn, a couple squirts of that, and double boiled linseed oil. Now, you could go with regular linseed oil. You could go for flaxseed oil, especially if you're doing this. I'm going to use some coconut oil, believe it or not. It was left over that we were getting rid of, but I'm just going to use a squirt of that. So, okay, I'll mix it up and show you guys after when I squirt it on. I'm going to put it on some. So I'll start off with a little bit of our coconut oil. Just a little bit. The key is you want penetration. Put in some of the linseed oil. This stuff's expensive now. That's why I say just go with this is double boiled, but you could go with regular linseed oil. I've got in here, just over a quarter cup. Okay, a little bit of linseed oil, right? Put in a little lacquer thinner, right? Just a splash. Oop. Better off if I get it up. Just under a quarter cup. Okay, just to thin it out. And finally, one of the secret weapons is the automatic transmission fluid. Okay. I'm gonna put in almost a cup of this stuff. Now, some people put in regular oil, like a car oil, but I'm putting this in. Okay. All right. And then finally, the last thing I'm going to put in is some Dawn dish detergent. It acts like a binder, but it also smells good. Actually, I'm going to put some in here just to rinse out the cup. And put a squirt or so in there, right? So I'm almost doing one part of the boiled linseed oil, one part of the lacquer thinner. You don't have to use coconut oil, but I had it on hand, so I used it. A couple squirts of the Dawn dish detergent, and then 4 parts transmission fluid, ATF. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it in. There's some from the last, and I'm just gonna pour it in there, guys. Okay, just making up a little bottle of it for now. I got half a bottle, and I'll show you how it goes on and what it looks like. Okay, so there it is. Give it a good shake. Okay, and it'll come out pretty good. All right, thanks for looking. Homemade, cheap enough. And at the end of the day, does a great job. Let it soak in, and if you can, wipe it off, but let it soak in for a day or so. All right, thanks for looking.